Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to take a look at our new 2020 255 Grady-White Freedom. This boat in Seaport Blue with the matching color under the hardtop is powered by a set of 150 horsepower Yamaha outboards. We'll go inside this boat and take a look. Thank you. As we enter the 255 Grady-White Freedom, you can see it has the walk-through transom door with the coaming. This boat does have the remote engine flush, a freshwater handheld shower, rod holders in the transom. There is a boarding ladder. Go inside, we'll take a look. This boat does have the sink, either the wine and cheese bar or the bait prep area. We did put the electric lounge on this boat, which is very nice. It does come out almost all the way to the seat in the back. This boat does have the live well on the back, which is also a core. Take a look at the helm. Boat does have a fusion stereo, tilt wheel. The helm is electric and it's bolster style. It is a marine head, teak and holly floor, mirror. As you go forward, cushions, bolsters, there's speakers, cup holders. There is a table for up forward. Companion seat with a master for the Fusion. It's a new touchscreen Fusion. The underside of the hardtop, which is in blue, with speakers, life jacket storage, twin 150 Yamaha outboards. There are rod holders on the side. This boat does have a full enclosure. Take another look through. Rod storage on the side. Thank you for looking.